Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today is all about mascara. So if you know me, you know I absolutely love mascara. It's one of my favorite accessories. I'm really simple when it comes to makeup, but I have to have my mascara. And I just want to show you guys my natural eyelashes. If you can see, they're naturally curly, so I definitely love a mascara that kind of straightens them out. So today I'm going to compare two different mascaras. The first one is Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift. You guys can see that. And the next one I'm going to use is Mary Kay Lash Love Fanorama. So I'm going to use Maybelline the Falsies on my left eye. And I haven't done anything. I do have my eyeshadow and my eyeliner on. But I'll just let you guys kind of see the brush. You can see it kind of has like an hourglass shape to it. Kind of skinnier in the middle, all around. So what I'll do is I'll come in and I'm going to apply it to the ends of my eyelashes first. So now, Mary Kay, I'm gonna apply the same technique to my right eye. And this brush is a little bit smaller. It kind of has that hourglass shape as well. Hopefully you guys can see that as the first one. And so I'm just gonna come in and apply it to the tip of my eyelashes first. I am in love. Like, I absolutely love both of these. I can definitely tell that the Maybelline gave me a bolder look, but the Mary Kay is so light on my eyelashes I can barely even feel it. And it definitely straightened out and lengthened my eyelashes as well. I absolutely love it. I don't really have a preference, one or the other. You guys can let me know in the comments which one you guys like. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this review. I will have the link to both of these mascaras in my description box below. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications, and I will see you guys next time.